Ayun, sarap. Good morning, everyone. Ayan, meron tayong sticky rice. Ayan. At lalagyan natin yan nilagyan na pala natin ng coconut milk and sugar. Now, ay lalagyan natin ng choco powder. Ayan. At pwede nyo bang hulaan kung ano ito? Sticky rice na pinalambot. Nilagyan ng asukal, coconut milk, and now, choco powder. Ayan. At ang gamit nga pala nating choco powder, Black Forest. Ayan. Black Forest choco powder. Ayan. So, nahuhulaan na ba ng lahat kung ano itong ginagawa natin? Masarap ito. So, medyo generous yung ilagay natin na choco powder para talagang yummy, yummy, yummy licious. Ayan. I know it's not only me love this, but I understand you love this too. Yes. At yun nga, haluin lang natin. Ilubog natin si choco powder. Medyo nag-overflow na yung aking niluluto. Akala ko kasi yung aking glutinous rice hindi ganun karami. Pero pag lumambot na pala, yes, I actually understand too na talagang dumadami siya. Pero na-underestimate ko yung aking niluluto. Ayan, sabi nga nila, no one is perfect, no? Even Tita Wena, not perfect at all. Parang ikaw lang, di ba, best? Never been perfect at all. Anyone else in this earth. Yes, because the only person perfect in this earth, in this world, is God. Yes, He is the only person who is perfect. Our Creator. Jesus Christ. Yes, tama ang narinig mo. Siya lang talaga ang perfect. For each of every one of us, I'm telling you guys, no one is perfect. And yes, myself, I even telling you, I never been perfect at all. Yes. Parang ikaw lang, di ba? Yes. Parang katulad lang ng niluluto ko. Akala ko konti lang. Nadamihan ko yung glutinous rice. Ang dami pala. Pero, alam mo ba, ito na siya, oh, sarap. Wow! Gorgeous. Look at that. Ooh, wow! Ang sarap naman. At kung nahuhulaan mo nga itong niluluto ni Tita Wena, would you mind? Comment down below. Yes. Ayan. Sarap naman ito at napakabango ha. In fairness. Talaga namang nangingibabaw yung amoy ng Black Forest choco powder. Yung every stir ko na ganito. Sarap nito ha. Bango-bango ha. Guys, not kidding. This is very, very good smell. And definitely, this will be very, very tasty. Ayan. Halu-haluin. Halu-haluin. Sarap naman. Bango. Wow. Yung every halo ko. Talagang naamoy ko yung bango. Delicious. Look at that. Ooh, wow. Ayan mga best, ang sarap ng niluluto ni Tita Wena. At ayan na nga siya. Ayan. Delicious. Look at that. Oh. Comment down below now. what is this merienda? Delicious. At mamaya nga, pag serving, lalagyan ko yan on top ng yung iba, evaporated ang nilalagay, no? Pero ako gusto kong ilagay dyan, condensed milk sa ibabaw para mas invigorating ang feeling. Every scoop sa mouth. Yes, ang sarap. I'm excited. Do you excited? And I wish you are just nearby me para isi-share ko rin sa'yo to, guys. I actually love to share my foods to each of the person who is just nearby me. Every time I have food just like this. Yes. Ayan. At mamaya nga, isi-share ko rin to sa neighbor ko. Ayan. Guys, ang sarap. Ang bango. Ayan, papatayin ko na yung apoy. Ayan.